People, for this episode of Scott Tyler, today we're going to be doing a battery drain test between the Google Pixel 7 and the Google Pixel 6a. I've been getting this video recommendation by so many fans on my channel, so I thought I would end up actually making this video. Right now, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi. They are max brightness, and they're going to be playing the same 8K video. I'm just going to do this one video, see how long the battery can last on each, and that will ultimately declare the winner of this competition. So I'm going to be setting a timer on this phone so I can just see how long they're gonna last. I'll do some timestamps in this to check in, and at the end we'll see which phone actually lasts the longest. I'm not going to do any complicated battery drain tests. I'm strictly just going to be streaming some 8K video on YouTube, and yeah, we'll go from there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see what happens in the end. Well, as you can see, we have the same 8K video on both. They're both on 100%. This one's on 100% too. As you can see right there, same Wi-Fi network, same everything, max screen brightness, and we are going to click play on each. 3, 2, 1, and there we go. And now we'll set the timer, and we'll see how long both these phones last. Let's do this. Okay, like close to an hour in, probably around 53 minutes-ish, and we're looking at 93% on the Pixel 7 and 93% on the Pixel 6a. So really close matchup right here, still going strong, still streaming this 8K footage, even though YouTube doesn't even allow you to actually use or display this in 8K, but going strong, both evenly matched right now. We're going to see which one comes out on top. Very impressed with the battery lives on these two devices currently. Right now, we're looking at around 86-87% for the Pixel 6a and 7 respectively. And I still can't get over how the display quality on the Pixel 6a looks better than the 7. I feel like the only reason why you would go out and purchase a Pixel 7 is for the 90 Hz display. Other than that, it's like sharpness, contrast, sharpness and contrast and saturation kind of go to the Pixel 6a. People, we're almost at the 5-hour mark. These videos are still playing. Let's see what we got. We got 56% on the Pixel 6a, and we have, let's say, 60% on the Pixel 7. So still going strong, still streaming that 8K video. Well, we're at like the 8.5-hour mark right now. I'm still going strong on this challenge. Right now, the Pixel here, Pixel 7 is looking at 32%, and the Pixel 6a is looking at 27%, so still a 5% difference. I've been seeing that usually on average for this entire test, 5% difference between the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 6a. Pixel 7, I'm guessing, is probably going to win this challenge. That's just my guess so far, but we're going to have to see. I'm thoroughly impressed with these devices, as my screen on time has been actually insane just sitting here watching these videos for over 8.5 hours, which is crazy. So stay tuned for the final results. I have to go to bed right now, so I'm going to put this on pause, turn both phones off, and continue the test tomorrow, just going off the previous amount of time I had accrued for both. So see you tomorrow. Blown away at how good these devices are performing so far. I did not expect them to go into a second day of actual battery health or streaming 8K video. Granted, it is 4K upscaled, but yeah, props to these devices. We're looking at a 6% gap on average right now between the 7 and the 6A, with the 7 slightly ahead. So results are almost over, and I'll report back when we have them. We're coming down to the wire now. We're going on like 10 hours and 45 minutes roughly. And on the Google Pixel 7, we're looking at 10%. Google Pixel 6a, we're looking at 8%. So the gap has definitely closed. Will the Pixel 7 drop below the Pixel 6a and die first? We're going to find out, ladies and gentlemen. This is coming to a conclusion shortly. So both phones are dead. Results are in, and the results are extremely close. Pixel 7 won barely at all, literally by only a few minutes compared to the Pixel 6a. It was like literally neck and neck at the end of this test, which is nuts. But as you can see, both phones are completely dead. There's no battery in either of them. This test took like around 11.5 hours to complete, 11.5 hours of constant 4K streaming on YouTube, which just shows you how battery efficient both of these devices are. So in my opinion, this is nuts how close these battery lives are. Literally, Pixel 7 only winning by a few minutes compared to the Google Pixel 6a. So that begs the question, should you actually even buy this device if you can get basically identical battery life on this one compared to this one, and this one costs more? Pixel 6a, in my opinion, is literally like the champ in terms of just like overall value compared to the Pixel 7. I also like the display on the Pixel 6a better than the Pixel 7. This one is more pixel dense, better colors in my opinion. The only thing you're missing out on is that 90 Hz display. So ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, Pixel 6a came in second place, barely, solid second place. Pixel 7 won by literally just a few minutes, which is crazy. And yeah, this was a fun test. It took forever, but I'm happy we got the results in, and happy to see both phones are getting similar battery life. And happy to see the Pixel 6a is still a massive contender with today's smartphone market, even the flagships. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next video from Scott Tyler. Road to 1,000 subscribers, ladies and gentlemen. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.